and welcome to our new series, Technical Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the DocuSketch team. This week's tip is what estimating habits help build credibility with the insurance carriers that we work with.
It may seem like an anachronism, but picking up the phone, you know, contacting that carrier, that reviewer from time to time, because there's a little bit more human connection when you are, talking to somebody. The inflection of your voice, your intent, everything sometimes can get lost, and you can read through notes in exact analysis or any of the systems, and kind of you can attribute whatever uh, intent you want to those, and sometimes it seems very adversarial in there. So picking up the phone, developing a relationship, and then always trying to look for that kind of common ground, making sure that, it's not just this estimate. You're going to come across that reviewer and adjuster in the future, and likewise them to you. So you want to kind of be known as somebody that'll work through, like understand their point of view, and try to come with a resolution. You win some, you lose some. I always, try to stand up for what's right if you're looking at the IICRC and, whatever it may be that you're, whatever authority that you're pointing to support your estimate, like always kind of come at it from that angle.